State Republican leaders are staying tight-lipped after a judge blocked parts of North Carolina's new abortion law. That decision coming over the weekend. And today we're talking to our state government reporter, Will Doran, about what this means moving forward. Will, this new ruling didn't overturn the entire abortion law. It did block pieces of it. So what exactly will this do?
Yeah, so you're right. The new ban on abortions after 12 weeks is still in place here. That's about half of what the cutoff used to be back when Roe v. Wade was still the law. But there's this lawsuit by Planned Parenthood that's challenging some of the smaller details that's in this new law. And over the weekend, that group got 2 wins in federal court. A judge blocked a requirement for some abortions to happen in hospitals, not clinics. She also blocked new rules for doctors that state lawmakers had wanted to impose.
So reading your reporting on this, the new law had required some abortions to be done in a hospital. What was the reasoning for that?
Well, the court ruled that there really wasn't any good reason for it. Back when this was being debated at the legislature earlier this year, we heard Republican lawmakers say that this was needed for patient safety. But in her ruling over the weekend, the judge said GOP lawmakers provided no actual evidence to back up that claim in court. She also said that the laws are just too vague and too hard to comply with.
We know this is far from the end of this legal battle. What should we be watching next?
Well, we've asked top Republicans if they plan to appeal. No word on that yet. In the meantime, this lawsuit does continue to move forward, but really it's just targeting some smaller pieces of the law, not the main 12-week ban. That is more of a political question than a legal one. And so looking ahead to 2024, the elections for governor and state legislature are going to be important for both sides of the abortion debate. Most southern states have stricter abortion laws than North Carolina does. And is that going to change here? It could all depend on who wins in 2024.
Absolutely. Thank you, Will, so much. Big elections coming up next year, not just for president as well. For all of WRAL state government coverage and about abortion procedures and reproductive rights and all things else, you can visit nccapital.com.